on? Who's beeping on? Buongiorno, my YouTube people. This is Naked Bike Mike, back with you again for another journey into the unknown. Journey to the center of the earth. We're gonna check out this, go over the causeway here, slow it down. I've never been on this part of the road, so I have no idea how sharp this turn is. That's not too bad. So merge into this white thing. I can smell the ocean air. I am heading over the causeway here behind this white vehicle. That's because I'm kind of going a little fast, but I'll slow it down to enjoy the view, and hopefully I can convey this to you people who are watching this. It's flat out there. No wind today, very slight breeze, maybe 1 or 2 miles an hour. The sun is coming up. It is nice. Much better than last week where we had fog. Last morning I rode. And today it's clear. Cooler and all that. Still slightly a bit humid, but that's okay. We're gonna go left, I believe. I think this is where I want to be. I think this is where I want to go. We'll see. That is my catchphrase. My catchphrase is, we'll see. We'll get there. And the speed limit is 30, and I don't know how careful I should be here. I don't know how, if there's cops, what's going on. This is the first time I've been on this road. Drop it down. I don't want to drop it in a second. I'm gonna be too loud here. I'll get my mail. I'll get my mail in my nightgown. I got no mail today. Mailman hadn't not come yet. So I go back to my house and I'll come back out and get the mail later. Ooh, these are some nice houses. Wow. 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 Look at that. That's beautiful. I better watch the road. Get distracted by these amazing pieces of real estate. The one drawback about living over here is everything rusts. Everything rusts away. Everything outside, your cars, air conditioning, anything exposed to the elements over here, constant salt air, just rusts away. But I guess if you can afford, I'm going too fast, I think. I don't know these cops around here. I'm afraid, I'm scared, I'm gonna get a ticket. Oh, it's 45. But yeah, if you have the money, I guess if you have the money to live over here, you can afford to replace crap every 2 or 3 years because it rusts out. It's incoherent, blabbable. Holy moly! And That's nice. Molto bene. Molto bella. Molto bella. What's this guy doing? Is he on his brakes? His lights working? I don't know. What's happening with your brake lights, man? Your brake lights look like they're working, but I don't know if they're applied or implied. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Come on, man. Help me out here with this. Brake lights on or they off? I gotta know, man. It's confusing. I'm confused. That's a conundrum for me. Trying to figure out what's happening with your brake lights, man. This is a much better. No, don't do it, lady. Man, whatever your thing is. That's the problem. That's the problem. As I repeat myself twice, to put emphasis on the problem. You got people pulling out because they're not looking, and I'm looking, they're not looking for me. And yeah, I'm speeding. I don't know what's behind me. I don't know what's in front of me. I'm catching up to those people already. Slow down a little bit. Pull ahead so I can at least have a little bit of enjoyment. Yeah, turn and get out of the way. Turn and get out of the way. Oh no! Really? Unbelievable. 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 Say it 3 times. Hit me 3 times now. Bam, 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 bam. I feel good. To be observant here. Don't know what's coming up. Don't want to blow past the police. Don't want somebody coming out of these side driveways here and screwing me up. That's for sure. I will get down a little bit. A little paranoid. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. Just a tad bit paranoid for these side driveways. Not like me doing this kind of speed on this back residential road here. I can understand. Yeah, going double the speed limit, which is probably not smart. That's okay. Got my eyes open. not see any police on the way down this road. So hopefully I can. We're gonna go to here and turn here. There we go. That's some more like it. That's some more like it, my friends. That's some more like it. There I am in the rain. Oh, the bed. Hey. So, thanks for subscribing if you do. Thanks for liking and make some comments. This is Naked Bike Mike. And we'll be back with you next time here on my channel. Thanks again. And I'm going left. I didn't signal. Oh no. Sorry. Ciao. Ciao, man. Arrivederci. Naked Bike Bike is here. This a turn. Ciao. We're stuck behind somebody again.